Hello, my name is Giga and we have a situation. So they called me as a plumber that we have a water leak around here, and I went to check, and it's not a water leak, it's a sewer shaft. My father works as a sewer cleaning truck driver in our company, and he called me that we have a leak. And I said, okay, I'll go check. And I called him and said, you better come check it out. So we're just gonna try, and this is the next shaft from the previous one, and we'll just try to clean it towards here if something is stuck in the sewer. So as you can see, here is not much, and from that one there it's leaking. So we're just gonna try to go with the pipe and the pressure and to clean it with water, so we unstuck if anything stuck. So this is it. You see, there is a water going forward and it has a backwash, so it pushes into the pipe, into the sewer. So he has the controls here or around the belt on that controller. So we're working with 125 bars of pressure. And you see, it's pulling, the pressure is pulling the pipe inside. And now he will start to suck whatever is coming in. Here you have a protective elbow for the pipe, so it doesn't rub at this sharp. This is the pressure pump. It works as a 125 bars, and this is the sucking pipe. It works at the minus 0.37 bars. That's how much it's sucking into the tank. So it's a MAN truck with crawl upgrade for sewer cleaning. It has the wall that moves through the tank. You can have like 1/3 of tank for the sucking and 2/3 of clean water to wash, or you can move and you have only 1/3 of a tank for water and 2/3 of a tank for suck. It's around 11 cubic meters of volume. Let's just see the interior real quick. Nothing much, basic stuff. The rear camera. Apparently we were cleaning the wrong pipe. We were cleaning the meteoric pipe that goes probably here. And this is the sewer. We need to find another shaft there that we will be able to clean it. So we're gonna fold this back. He has 120 meters of this pipe and around 15 meters of the sucking pipe. He has this small one for washing up. So this nozzle also spins, so it cuts through the obstacles that it gets. The sewers go there, and we open that shaft and it's full, and it goes here. And now we're gonna try to clean from here because it's stuck between here. Again, we'll put the pipe with nozzle in that will break through. The sucking one to suck whatever is stuck in there. Just like that. So the front nozzles cut through and the back ones are pushing the nozzle in. So we think we got to the stuck. So we got through the stuck, as you can see.
Je hebt een spritzel hoor.
Ja, dat moet.
Kijk maar, dat moet je net zo. Ik ook er al. Kijk,
Zo, ze moeten maar naar boven.
So this was the shaft that was full and we were cleaning at that one, and the pipe goes here. So here. So you see what gets stuck? So he will just try to suck. He's sucking a little bit, you know. If that's a minus, that means it's sucking. You can see how much water it has here. So this is it. First, I need to wash my hands. So it has this cute hand washer here. It has warm water. So you know this is sewer, and you always wanna wash your hands after this work. It was a very quick video because it was unintended. It's a lot of stuff in this company that come as a surprise. So yeah, I'll try to record more. I see you soon.